Morning, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Hey, wait a minute. Stop. Don't be turning the channel. Don't be turning that sound down or skipping through the video. We got a good one here. This was given to me, and the best I can tell is that this is a Shakespeare reel. Do not know the year, make, or anything else. You can barely make out Shakespeare on it. But what caught my eye was the rod. The rod is all metal. You see, the real seat here is all metal. It's not aluminum or any plastic, it's all metal. This is the only plastic on this rod. The rest of this rod from here on up to the tip is all metal. Kind of reminds me of the old CB whip antenna material. It's pretty rusted. I haven't cleaned it up or nothing. The man just gave it to me. Said he didn't know what to do with it. I'd like to restore it, but before I do, I'd like to find some information on it. I don't want to be restoring it and painting it a different color. I'd like to find out information and see what the original color was on this metal rod. And as we move up here, it still has the tip on it. And this rod is very, very flexible. So if anybody out there has information on it, would you please get back to me? You can subscribe and just put it in the comments. What you think of year, make, and who made it. How long were they on the market and when were they made? I do appreciate everybody tuning in. I hope everybody has a happy new year, safe party tonight. Please don't drink and drive, and have a prosperous year. And until then, we'll see you next year. Wayno's Rod House. Please like and subscribe. Thank y'all very much for tuning in.